All right, folks, let's talk about something bold today. Coloring your own hair at home without turning it into a disaster zone. I know, it sounds risky, but with a bit of know-how, you can totally nail it. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to pick the right shade. Go for something not more than 2 shades lighter or darker than your current color. Trust me, playing it safe here makes all the difference. And always check the box for permanent or semi-permanent. It's a game changer. All right, now for the must-haves, a quality hair dye kit, a mixing bowl, a brush, gloves, old towels, and an old t-shirt you don't mind ruining. Oh, and don't forget the Vaseline to protect your skin from staining. Seriously, just apply it around your hairline. You'll thank me later. Before you even think about applying dye, let's chat about a strand test. Take a small section of hair from the nape of your neck and apply the dye. This way, you'll see how the color develops and avoid any nasty surprises. Plus, it's a great way to test for allergies. Next up, section your hair into 4 parts, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. This helps ensure even coverage and avoids missing any spots. Start applying the dye about ½ an inch away from the roots, working your way down to the tips. Roots heat up faster, which means they process quicker, so we'll get to them after the rest of the hair. Now be patient. Follow the timing instructions on the box to the letter. Overprocessing can lead to damage, and underprocessing means your color won't stick. Set a timer and relax. Maybe watch an episode of your favorite show. Once the time's up, rinse your hair with lukewarm water until it runs clear. Use the conditioner that comes with the dye. It's specially formulated to lock in your new color. And resist the urge to shampoo right away. Give your hair a day or 2 to let the color settle in. Finally, some aftercare tips to keep your color vibrant. Use sulfate-free shampoos, condition regularly, and avoid hot tools as much as possible. If you must style, always use a heat protectant spray. Your hair will thank you. So there you have it, a foolproof guide to coloring your hair at home like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, and even if things don't go exactly as planned, it's just hair. It'll grow back. Have fun, be bold, and show off that fabulous new look. Until next time, happy coloring!